How many of us have needed a ruler, a protractor, or even a box cutter, but we do not have one on hand? We often need these tools at the moment, but they're not exactly easy to carry around. What if one single compact tool could do all of that and more? Today, we're looking at a truly unique piece of everyday carry gear, a titanium multifunctional ruler. It's an all-in-one tool designed for those who need precision and versatility right in their pocket. The tools is made from aviation-grade, grade 5 titanium. This isn't just for show. Titanium is incredibly strong, very lightweight, and resistant to rust and corrosion. It's built to last and can handle a lot of wear and tear, which is exactly what you need from a tool you'll carry every day. Also, the design itself is pretty clever. It folds up, making it super compact and easy to carry on a keychain. But when you unfold it, you're not just getting a ruler. The main straight ruler has a standard metric scale, and you can even get a version with imperial measurements. But that's only the beginning. This tool also includes a protractor that can deploy up to 180 degrees for drawing angles, and even a set of calipers with a measurement range of up to 100 millimeters. You can get precise measurements for a variety of projects without having to grab a bunch of separate tools. The measurements are super easy to read too. The lines are not just laser etched, they're CNC precision engraved. This means they're incredibly sharp, clear, and durable, so they won't fade or wear away over time. The ruler also has a small bevel for comfortable reading, which is a nice touch. Now for some of the more unexpected features. Tucked away inside is a multifunctional cutting system that uses a standard 11 craft blade. This is perfect for cutting paper, cardboard, or other materials. It also has a rope cutter and a bottle opener built in. For emergencies, it even includes a tungsten steel tip that can act as a window breaker. This one tool could seriously replace a lot of different items in your bag or on your desk. Whether you're an engineer, a student, a designer, or just a DIY enthusiast, this foldable titanium tool offers a lot of functionality in a durable, portable package. It's a great example of smart, minimalist design. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.
Sandy.